display. In front of me is Chuwi HiPad Max, and today I would like to show you how you can manage adaptive brightness. Begin by opening device's settings and scrolling down just a bit to access display. Following that, just click on the gray switcher next to Adaptive Brightness feature. As you can see, my switcher turned blue. That means that auto brightness is enabled, but you can always disable it by hitting the same no blue switcher again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!